Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. It's true, I've finally completed recipe number 4 in the Best Cream Pie Recipes series that I started last month. And what better way to finish it off than with the most luscious coconut cream pie you will ever try. I am telling you the truth, each recipe just seemed to get better than the last. When I started off this series with the white chocolate berry cream pie, I thought, well, do I really have to go any further since this is clearly the winner? But then I blasted out of the gate with the double chocolate cream pie. And, well, you know me with chocolate. This was just hands down the best of the best. But I did promise 4 cream pies, so onward I marched right into fresh banana cream pie land. And I can't even believe I'm saying this, but I was bowled over by the clean, fresh, amazing, creamy, banana-y custardiness of this banana cream pie. I would say that it left me speechless, but I just said a lot of words right there. So I think I have to leave it up to you guys to decide, so comment below all your thoughts on these recipes so far while I get to showing you this super easy recipe. No bake, no nuts, no mixers required. Now, I am going to put it out there right now that this recipe can be made in about 12 minutes for about $12. Okay, it actually worked out closer to $13.05, but who's counting? And besides, $12 just sounds way better. Okay, let's get to this recipe. We are pros at this base custard mix by now since it is the same recipe that I used in all 4 varieties. But for this coconut one though, I did use a can of full-fat coconut milk in addition to the soy milk. In a medium sauce pot, combine both of those milks, the sugar and the cornstarch mixture, and this time I am adding literally a pinch of turmeric, like less than 1/8 of a teaspoon. Turmeric adds a natural yellow tinge to custards, but if you add too much, it will just make your custard look green. Some people were commenting on Facebook that my pie looked like guacamole meringue. I can't really say that I agree with that one, so just use it sparingly. So get it to the stove and bring it to a boil, stirring constantly to avoid scorching the bottom. And once it comes up to a boil, remove it from the heat, add in the vegan butter, whisk it smooth, then the vanilla extract, and then goes the toasted coconut. Just remember to reserve a couple tablespoons of the toasted coconut for the topping of the finished pie. Okay, so here's where the 12 minutes comes in because, yeah, I bought the crust, but Midel has a vegan crust, and it happens to be gluten-free as well. So there's your time saver right there. But of course, you can make your own crust from your favorite sandwich cookie or graham crackers like I did in all of my previous cream pie recipes. So just pour that hot custard into the crust and refrigerate it until it is set. This didn't really take long at all. And let me just stop right here to say if you did not want to top it with the whipped cream, you have yourself an authentic coconut custard pie. But I'm going the full 9 yards here and I'm loading this thing up with whipped cream. And I am actually topping it with the Lazy Butt brand, which is so delicious coconut whipped topping. It's really good. But if you have the energy and you want to make your own homemade recipe for vegan whipped cream, I do have several options on my blog, and all the clickable links are below this video in the box as usual. The remaining toasted coconut, and voila, you have yourself the most delicious, easiest, cheapest, veganest coconut cream pie you will ever try. Seriously, you guys, it is so good. I can't even stand it. You know it's good if I'm saying it is quite possibly better than the double chocolate cream pie. But I do want to know your opinions, so comment below. Let me know if you've made any of these recipes so far in my Best Cream Pie Recipes series. And if you have, well, do tell. We all want to know. I also mentioned last time that I was considering doing a 5th cream pie to add to the series, and I got so many great suggestions from you guys. So I'm going to do a poll in my community page soon here on YouTube and let you all vote on what you think you want to see as the 5th and final show-stopping cream pie. Alright, that is way more than enough talking out of me today. Go shove a pie in your mouth and shut up. All right, you guys. Until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.